Hi guys, this is Masini Adai again, and this video is about my first new series of basic programming for web developer or for novice programmers in web development. So let's see what we got. As you can see in this video, in my right corner of my screen, I have listed some topics that we will learn, inshallah, in future videos. I will prepare each topic in different videos, so that you can have a separate collection of each topic, and also each topic will be covered. For example, a variable will be covered, will be inspected in different programming language such as JavaScript, PHP, and other programming language, and we will inspect them, and so that you can have a clear idea about what is a variable. And it's worth mentioning that our main programming language that we will work is PHP. Beside PHP, we will also cover JavaScript for these topics. As you can see, we have data types, variables, constants, operators. We will see what's the operators in different languages. How can we make a decision? How can we loop through something in programming language? What's array and what's the function? After the function, the rest of the these topics are related to only PHP. Beside the PHP programming language, other programming language also got these topics, but they are very different. But not in the core concept, but in the syntax and other things. So that's it. I forgot to mention that after this series, I will create a new series of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Node.js. And thank you guys. That's all. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.